look around and see how proud these alumni are. You can hear the noise, you can see the energy, you can feel the energy.
Now, when I say restore the standard, I'm not solely talking about chasing nostalgia or trying to relive yesterday's championship or relive yesterday's championships. I'm talking about restoring the culture, the expectation, the commitment, and excellence that have always defined Winston-Salem State University.
I'm just really excited about the men's program and football being restored back to the standard. So just really excited, and I just can't wait. I'm ready to get in the car to go to Norfolk right now.
We have an outstanding team committed to one goal: restoring the standard. Tonight isn't simply about meeting the coaches. It's about hearing the vision for the future of Winston-Salem State University athletics.
What does restoring the standard mean to me? I'm talking about going back to Earl to Pearl, Big House Games, Coach Bill Hayes, Cornell Maynard. Let's do this.